What if you could transform your messy kitchen into a clean, organized, and stress-free space without a full renovation? From smart storage hacks to must-have organization tools, these ideas can help you save space, find things faster, and make your kitchen look premium. Let's get started.
Number 1. 12-inch non-skid turntable. Lazy Susan Organizer from Land New is here to revolutionize your kitchen with this awesome 4-pack. Picture a spinning rack that takes your messy countertops, overflowing pantries, or that awkward under-sink area and turns them into a model of efficiency. It's got a grippy silicone surface and sturdy feet to keep everything from spice jars to snacks or even fridge staples like fruits and veggies right where you need them. At under $25 with a nice little discount, it's a budget-friendly fix that's big enough to hold a dozen soda cans, yet fits almost anywhere. Cabinets, vanities, you name it. Just make sure to measure your space first. Give it a quick hand wash and dry it off to keep it spinning smoothly. This is organization made simple. Number 2. Swamily Spice Rack Organizer with 32 empty square glass spice jars is a total kitchen upgrade, perfect for anyone craving order without sacrificing style. This 4-tier beauty made from tough alloy steel sits pretty on your countertop, slides into a cabinet, or mounts on the wall. Hardware's included. At just under $34, it comes with 32 4-ounce glass jars, a handy funnel for mess-free refills, and 386 white labels, 340 pre-printed, plus 46 blank ones you can customize with the included chalk marker. Measuring 14.7 inches long, 4.7 wide, and 12.6 high, it's compact yet holds all your go-to spices, from basics to blends, keeping everything tidy and easy to grab. Just hand wash the jars and you're set for a clutter-free cooking zone.
Number 3. LifeWit Silverware Drawer Organizer. LifeWit Silverware Drawer Organizer is a must-have for anyone tired of digging through a jumbled drawer for a spoon or fork. This expandable bamboo tray in a sleek natural finish adjusts from 13 to 22.4 inches wide, fitting snugly into almost any kitchen drawer at 15 inches deep and 2 inches high. Right now, it's just over $22, a steal with its current discount, and offers 8 roomy compartments for sorting knives, forks, spoons, and more. Its sturdy, scratch-resistant design adds a warm, elegant vibe to your space, while the smooth grooves make grabbing utensils a breeze. Rinse it with water to clean and enjoy a clutter-free drawer that's as practical as it is pretty. Number 4. Afuly Coffee Bar Shelf. Afuly Coffee Bar Shelf brings a stylish twist to your kitchen with this set of 2 20-inch wall-mounted floating shelves, perfect for your coffee station or wine nook. Crafted from sturdy paulownia wood and thickened metal brackets, these white and black beauties measure 19.7 inches wide, 5.9 deep, and 0.6 high, offering plenty of space to display mugs, wine bottles, or decor. For just under $40, you get 8 hooks for cups and a holder for 4 to 6 glasses, all easy to install without pre-drilled holes. Just mark, screw, and go. Durable and chic, they're a space-saving win for any room, from the kitchen to the living room, and they clean up quick with a wipe. A perfect blend of function and flair. Number 5. White Kitchen Utensil Holder from Breckle. White Kitchen Utensil Holder from Breckle is your rustic answer to kitchen clutter, blending vintage white charm with practical design for just under $28. Made from solid paulownia wood, this 11.81-inch long, 4.72 wide, and 6.7 high organizer weighs a sturdy 1 pound and keeps your cooking tools right where you need them. No more drawer chaos. Its clever divider lets you sort spoons, whisks, and more, so you're not fishing for that one utensil mid-recipe, while the removable cover makes cleaning a snap. Just wipe it down and go. This farmhouse-style gem stands firm without tipping, adding a touch of elegance to your countertop and making cooking a breeze. Number 6. ROOHUA Pot Rack Expandable Pan Organizer. ROOHUA Pot Rack Expandable Pan Organizer is a kitchen superhero you didn't know you needed, coming in at just under $24 in a cool bronze finish. This clever rack stretches from 11.8 to 22.8 inches and offers 10 adjustable compartments. So whether you've got massive pots or tiny lids, it's got you covered. U-shaped grooves even keep those knobbed lids secure. Made from heavy iron with a rust-proof rubber coating, it's tough enough for your heaviest cookware and comes with silicone pads to save your cabinets from scratches. Set it up as one long piece or split it into two. No tools needed. Just pull, slot, and go. It's a total win for keeping your kitchen tidy and your cooking gear within reach.
Number 7. Top Life Spiral Design Metal Egg Skelter Dispenser Rack in Brown. Top Life Spiral Design Metal Egg Skelter Dispenser Rack in Brown is a quirky yet genius addition to your kitchen for just under $30. The sleek alloy steel tower stands 15.75 inches tall, 6.9 wide and deep, with a 360-degree rotating spiral that holds up to 3 dozen eggs, perfect for keeping them organized and easy to grab. Its sturdy frame and non-slip felt base mean no wobbles, while the compact design clears up counter space and adds a modern touch to your decor. No more digging through cartons, just spin, pick, and cook. Your eggs stay in sight, and your kitchen stays clutter-free with this stylish little helper. Number 8. Under Sink Organizer from Kitstoke. Under Sink Organizer from Kitstoke comes as a 2-pack dream team for conquering cabinet chaos, priced just under $46 with a handy discount. These black 2-tier metal racks stretch 15.9 inches deep, 11.8 wide, and up to 16.9 high, with 5 adjustable heights to fit everything from tall bottles to small supplies. Built from thickened carbon steel with a rust-resistant finish, they hold up to 50 pounds without a wobble. Thanks to suction cups and nano-adhesive films, the smooth sliding shelves, complete with wooden handles, make grabbing stuff a breeze. No more bending or digging. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or pantries. Just measure your space, assemble, and enjoy a tidier life.
Number 9. Fresh Egg Holder Countertop from ShopSquare. Fresh Egg Holder Countertop from ShopSquare is a spiral egg skelter that's as clever as it is chic. Priced at just under $26, this black metal beauty holds up to 3 dozen eggs with a smart first-in, first-out design. Older eggs roll down, newer ones stay up top, so you're always using the freshest ones without waste. Its sturdy wire frame topped with a handy carrying ring comes with a bonus storage basket at the bottom for extra stability or even stashing K-cups and fruit. Rust-proof and compact, it sits pretty on your counter, keeping eggs or small kitchen bits organized and easy to grab with zero fuss. Number 10. Sink Soap Dispenser for Kitchen Sink from Isolor. Sink Soap Dispenser for Kitchen Sink from Isolor is a sleek black game changer for just under $21. Designed to make soap refills a thing of the past, this stainless steel beauty comes with a 47-inch extension tube that hooks right to your big soap jug. No more spills or tiny bottle hassles. Its 2.68-inch threaded shaft fits thick countertops like marble or wood, and the rust-proof multi-layered finish keeps it looking sharp. Easy to install in minutes, it includes a food-grade silicone tube, check valve, and anti-leak bits for smooth, mess-free pumping. Perfect for kitchens or bathrooms, it's a durable, low-maintenance win.
So that was our list of the 10 best kitchen organization ideas to help you create a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient kitchen space. Whether you're dealing with limited storage, messy drawers, cluttered countertops, or overcrowded cabinets, these tools and ideas can completely transform how your kitchen looks and functions. If you want to check the latest prices or get more details about any of these products, make sure to check the links in the description below. And if this video helped you upgrade your kitchen, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest home and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.